Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Suma, consultant from 49 Fertility Center, Vijayawada branch. A lot of women suffer from endometriosis. So what is endometriosis? What are the symptoms of endometriosis? And what are the problems that endometriosis can cause which can lead to infertility in a couple? So basically, endometriosis is a condition wherein the endometrial lining, which is inside the uterus, grows in abnormal places like in the ovary, on the tubes, outside the uterus, or within the muscle tissue of the uterus itself. Ectopic endometrium, that means whenever the endometrium grows in any other place apart from inside the uterine cavity, that is when we call it endometriosis. Now, what is the problem with endometriosis? So, because whenever there is a lining that develops in order for a pregnancy to occur, and the pregnancy doesn't occur when there is no fertilization, the endometrium sheds and the lady menstruates. So this menstrual cycle is a cyclical process which happens every month. Every month the endometrium grows, preparing for a pregnancy, and in the absence of a pregnancy it sheds and it bleeds, which leads to menstruation. Now when this endometrium grows in any other ectopic area, be it the ovaries, the tubes, or anywhere else, the bleeding has no place to go, it accumulates, and the blood that accumulates in different places lead to various symptoms of endometriosis. So because of the blood that accumulates, we can in the ovary it can form a cyst which is called a chocolate cyst. Around the tubes it can lead to adhesions which can block the tubes. Endometriotic cyst or adhesions, all of these together can alter the uterine tubal anatomy, which can prevent a pregnancy. So one of the most common symptoms of endometriosis is pain. So pain during menstruation, pain during sexual intercourse, pain during defecation, and pain during micturition. That is when they're urinating, when they're defecating, when they're having intercourse, or even simply when they're having their menstruation. That is, pain usually starts even before the menstrual cycle and it continues post the menstrual cycle as well. So this kind of pain is the most common symptom of endometriosis, and it is extremely severe pain that the patient experiences, to the extent that none of the painkillers actually work for them. The other problem that arises from endometriosis is infertility. So chocolate cyst in the ovary can reduce the egg number, it can reduce the quality of the oocyte. Chocolate cyst can lead to adhesions which can block the tubes, and the tubo-ovarian relation can be altered, which can prevent the egg from getting picked up by the tube and the embryo from getting transported into the uterine cavity. So all of these problems will prevent pregnancy from happening in that particular couple. So having said all this, is there a solution for endometriosis? Of course, yes, we have a lot of options available now. First and foremost, we can consider doing a surgery, especially in patients who have real severe pain and they're not responding to medications, or in patients where you want to consider doing an IVF and the follicles or the oocytes are not accessible for the surgical removal of the oocytes. Or you can consider doing an IUI in early stages of endometriosis where the tubes are open. Or IVF is also an option where you remove the eggs from the ovaries, you fertilize them artificially in the lab, and you directly place the fertilized egg, that is the embryo, inside the uterine cavity. So if you are suffering with endometriosis, you need not panic, as there are a lot of treatment options available. Kindly consider consulting us once to know your problem and the different solutions that are available for endometriosis. Thank you.